Chugging on Vicks is the way to live in Delhi. First friend in Taj Mahal. हम लोग फाइनली आ गए हैं ताज महल आफ्टर ऑलमोस्ट 4 hours of traveling from Delhi to now. एंड यहाँ पे इंसानों के साथ साथ ही क्यूट क्यूट बंदर भी है जिनकी डोंगी is red. We are here at Taj Mahal and this is our view. Sign of love with my love. Love them. Why I cannot talk a lot, and even if I do this, just a lot of commotion in the background. So as you could tell by a few clips that I showed prior, we are at Taj Mahal. It is extremely beautiful. As always, it's my second time here, second or third time, I'm forgetting, here, and it is just as beautiful every single time. This is how she's looking. I don't know if the camera is picking up my voice at all, but we were told over and over again by many people that you wouldn't be able to see Taj Mahal because of the fog and all of that. It is 4th of January and it's clear as day today. And from what I know, last time we also went to that spot, which is, I think this is Yamuna River, and then it's on the other side, and pictures from there also come out to be very beautiful, very picturesque, but you need to have a better camera than an iPhone, which I have, and this DJI also doesn't do the job of zoom. This is one of the minars of Taj Mahal. We are right behind. We went inside the mausoleum, and right now we're just waiting here, clicking some photos. They do mandate us to wear these. Where we're here right now, the colors of this whole place is so beautiful, so clear, and I hope if you have plans to come here, you are able to see this. It is honestly as clear as it gets. And today we are here at India Gate in Delhi, and अभी तो हम चल के जा रहे हैं. We were on the other side where we ate a lot of food, corn, pani puri and some other stuff, and right now we are just walking on the other side through an underground crossing, and that's where India Gate is. I have always been so fascinated by India Gate because growing up and even till today, I see the Republic Day parade every single year without fail. So coming back here feels very nice, very fun to watch it in person, and someday hopefully also see the parade. Beautiful. Such a postcard picture of India that I get to see in person and you get to see through my lenses.
बोला राष्ट्रपति भवन.
वेरी नाइस.
मेरे को बोला गया है मैं व्लॉगर दीदी हूँ.
नेक्स्ट लोकेशन पे जाते हैं ना भाई.
ये रहा, इधर ही है, ऐसे पीछे ही है. आ रहा है, नहीं आ रहा है.
चारों साथ.
वीडियो बनाए
सर्दी बन रही है।
Chugging on Vicks is the way to live in Delhi. At least for us. शायद मैंने खाली खाली जल्दी बोल दिया कि मैं ठीक हूँ. Alright. Hello. We are at Agra Fort today. Red Fort today. We are at Red Fort today. And we got our tickets online. From the ticketing booth itself, there was a scan code. Very seamless. Quick entry inside. And this is where we are right now. We had a quick stopover at that place and had Maggie and chai. But now we are inside and currently walking towards the other side of the fort. The fort entrance was from there, which was very chaotic to enter. But the crowd is getting thinner and thinner as we go inside. And excuse my voice and the background noise that the mic is potentially picking up. There's a lot of people around, but it's a beautiful sunny day. And to our very good luck, the visibility is very clear. This is my husband who is sick, but for funsies, I have recovered from my cold and cough. So, okay, we are at Naubat Khana, Drum House. This was for the arrivals of emperors and other prominent dignitaries. Nice place. And preservation भी अच्छा है. हाँ. Beautiful architecture from back in the day. यहाँ पे ताजमहल से तो कम भीड़ है. मस्त है ना लियो? The weather is so nice. It's sunny. Yeah. We both like this weather a lot. It's sunny, but it's cold. Not cold, bone freezing cold yet. Is the next stop Diwan-e-Aam. Diwan-e-Aam बोलते हैं उसको. Diwan-e-Aam. यहाँ पे उनका they used to call people out. वो रहा वहाँ पे जहाँ पे emperor बैठता था, which is concealed, prohibited to go. It's so beautiful, so nice. This was the place they used to sit, kings, and call out to the people of the world, of their world. That was the entrance door that we came in from. ना मस्त है ना? So after seeing the Diwan-e-Aam, which was the entrance, we saw Moti Mahal, we saw Mumtaz Mahal and Rang Mahal. Is हमारे पीछे it's a mosque, and over here it's all beautiful garden which is very well maintained and still preserved to its best capability, which it's a very nice surprise to see. Although some parts of the palace fort are painted and they have been restored, but mostly all other parts have been very beautifully preserved. The gardens, the canals that they had back in the day, which you see over here in the middle, and people being people litter, but comparatively it is very, very clearer. It's very, very well maintained, very well preserved. The gardens, the landscaping of the gardens have been also done very nicely. We are heading towards something which is in the center of water body. The water is obviously not there today anywhere in the fort, but the structure still sits We cannot go inside today. There are many places that have been cordoned and we are unable to go inside, but we can see from outside and we can go as close to it as walking possible. And cute. The red color of the Red Fort is pretty much there for most part of the area, but some parts have, like I said, have been repainted to white, and their engraving and all that has also been washed off, I think, over the years. This area, I think, is where the water was, and then the centerpiece was the palace or land, or I don't know what. There's no instruction over here. The entry to this fort is 35 rupees per person. 35 rupees is what? $0.30? Yeah, so $0.30, $45, which is very cheap compared 40 cents, which is very cheap, obviously, but it is also cheap compared to Indian standards. 35 rupees entry fee is honestly very minimal to maintain a place like this and also upkeep a place this humongously big. Job well done by government and people, and even the restrooms, the canteen, the cafeteria. Yeah, that's what I was telling, like just for 35 rupees entry fee, it's very well preserved and well maintained. So I mean, hats off to some, like, for the footfall that they receive, especially in, not right now, but more in the summer months. But look at that dog, he's so cute, relaxing. The dogs here in Delhi are very chill. They just chill, they relax, they're not worried about humans and people. And yeah, this is Bhado Mandap or Pavilion, which none of the above. I know what that means. And then on this side, we have something barring the entry, which is the outside of the fort. The inside of the fort is really very nice. The outside is madhouse. It's madhouse chaos. So if you get through that, you get to the good part of this. This is heritage tea house, date back to Mughal period. It's quite evident that it has been subjected to later additions and alterations. It was the first place on the land which was built for the princess. Ew, known as princess quarters. Very cute. It's not functional anymore. It's a rundown area. It's the exteriors of the fort, which means we are at one end of the fort. This is the north end of the fort. Mumtaz Mahal was the south end of the fort, where Mumtaz lived. And day before yesterday, we visited where Mumtaz today rests. This is Shah Burj. Burj? Kya Burj. It's Shah Burj. Again, my history knowledge is clearly not the best, but I love seeing these places. My sister would be able to tell everything. There's a lot of walking inside the fort. By lot, I mean lot according to what you walk in India. We have exited the Agra fort and I bought this impromptu 200 rupees, which I don't think even will last, looking at all of this, till Ahmedabad. But it's fine because it's fine. Hello again. Right now we are in Qutub Minar, and this is the very first time I am ever in a historic monumental place at this hour of the day, and it is so beautiful. It is so stunning. We are right outside the Minar, and right now there's going to be light and sound show, which we will be attending shortly, and that would be our last stop of today. It is so beautiful, and all of this is still the same like I visited, and I remember I was so young, so small when I came here last time. I also know There she is. So stunning, so stunning, and all of this around it. And there are, of course, it's night time. There are very few people, so it's even more nice to see because you can actually see and not constantly have to make your way. That's her in the background and my darling husband. कितनी मस्त लग रहे हैं ना? It is so cold. We are barely standing straight. It is, we both are shivering. But that's my view. And that's Leo. Thank you, Bhaiya. Apparently the show is over. इसका detailing which dates back to I don't know when. क्या सुंदर detailing है इसका. Got to keep you guys inside because it is extremely cold and I don't have my hand mittens on me today. We have boarded our train to Amritsar and अभी हमको हमारा we are taking Vande Bharat from Delhi Junction to Amritsar and it is I think 5.5 hour train. अभी हमको खाना दिया है, ये देखते हैं क्या है. Looks like a kachori with fruit juice, chai masala, some Haldiram biscuit, sweet, I don't know what this is, देखा जाएगा, ketchup and dry snacks. Dry snacks में है मटरी है basically. How's the kachori? Let's try. We were almost about to miss our train today. But here we are. We are entitled, ऐसा announcement आया. उन्होंने ऐसा अनाउंस किया. अभी तो हमने दिल्ली भी नहीं छोड़ा है. डिनर करके हम जाएंगे, ठीक है?
वापस डिनर करने छोले भटूरे खाएंगे. कुलचे क्या होता है?
अमृतसरी कुलचे. Anyway, what I was saying was, अभी हम खाते पीते हुए 5.5 घंटे बिताएंगे. And जब अमृतसर पहुँचेंगे तो I will show you the hotel because the hotel is amazing. We are staying 10 minutes away from the station and also 10 minutes away from the Golden Temple. बहुत बीच में है location. From what we have read online and the rates that we are seeing online, the hotel is fantastic. I'll tell you all about it once we get to it. But catch you up from Amritsar. Alright, so we have reached Amritsar and अभी हम लोग lobby में हैं. We are still checking in and this is the outside of Holiday Inn here in Amritsar. It is very beautiful. People are nice. We have just come, so Leon is just going to see the check-in procedures and stuff like that. I am waiting here and they will need my ID, so that's what I'm taking out and we will check in. I will show you guys the room. I am, by the looks and feel of the hotel, I can tell it's very amazing and I'm excited for it. So alright, so we are in the room and this room is huge. All they said to us was that this is just a smoking room and we came here and saw there's no traces of smoking or anything or smell or anything that we feel, so it's fine. Alright, we just got our luggages delivered right now. But as soon as you enter from this door, this is the first door to the toilet. That's me. And then this is our formal living room with a study, a side table, a side table, and then they have also left us some cookies and a nice note. And then the view is, I have no idea of what. I think it's an open land, just an open land. And then as we go inside, this is the bedroom. It is beautiful. It's honestly very beautiful. And a vanity after so long. And then this is also the big window facing the same side of the road. And that is the bathroom with a long mirror. I mean a tall mirror. An area to get dressed, wardrobe, and a bathtub, a sink, standing shower, and another pot. So we have two pots in the room. Two pots in the room.
Pots in the room.
One is outside, one is inside.
Oh, हाँ, because यहाँ it sleeps 4.
So you go
So say for
outside.
example, okay. तो अगर मनप्रीत और वो लोग होते,
हाँ.
we could have just closed this and like that.
It could be for our family too.
Yeah.
But we are just two people going to utilize this humongous room to ourselves for the next 4 nights that we are here. Tonight, the plan is just to settle in, relax, unwind, and calm ourselves down from so much traveling back to back to back. Catch you guys up in some time.